Are you struggling to find high-quality, copyright-free videos for your YouTube channel or social media projects? Today, I'll share the top 5 websites to get free, copyright-free videos that you can use legally and for free. First is Pexels, which offers a massive library of stock videos for personal and commercial use with no watermark. Second is Pixabay, known for its huge collection of free videos including 4K content, all under Creative Commons Zero license. Third is Videvo, which provides free stock footage and motion graphics perfect for tutorials and faceless videos. Fourth is Coverr, a website offering beautiful free stock clips for websites, YouTube, or social media content with easy downloads. Finally, Mixkit is a free platform with high-quality stock videos and cinematic clips suitable for professional-looking projects. These websites make it easy for creators to find legal and free video content, save hours of filming, and enhance video quality instantly. Which website will you try first? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to share more tools and resources for YouTube creators in my next video. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.